Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you cards and tags with happy snowmen. So let's get started. So I have many snowman embellishments in my store. Today I picked two different bags, the Easy 3D toppers. These are the Christmas snowmen, and in each bag you have 10 cute little snowman embellishments. They're each individually packed and they come in 3 steps. So you have the base piece and 2 toppers. Size wise, there are about 2.5 by 2.5 inches. So you have an idea how big they are. But look how super adorable they are. You have snowmen, snow women, snow Santas, all cuddled up with presents, gingerbread hearts. Oh my god, look at this. Isn't that adorable, with a snowman baby. OMG. And I like the quote is in purple, because I sometimes really love those pink and purple Christmas cards. Here is a decked out tree, snowman and a sleigh and a lot of presents on it, and with a cute Christmas tree. And here is the card that I have created, all bundled up. Snowman, snow woman. I've set him in front of a window, and this is a sticker that I had in my stash, so I adorned the window, and a little bit of background paper, and that's it. Came out so cute. And this time I used a blue card, just perfect for a cold snowman window. And the sentiment, Merry Christmas, is a sticker sentiment that comes on sticker sheets, and I will link it below. And here I have a second bag of snowmen, also by Hardy Crafts. And again, I have several different ones in the store. Check them out. And this one again has 10 different snowmen with deer and with a little polar bear. So I made tags with this one because they're not too big. They work well on tags. So here is my first tag. And the tag itself is 5.5 inches by 3 inches. And what I use as tags is normally packaging. So this was a packaging from the Santa baby. I'm not quite sure. I think cards maybe. So this is just the background card stock that they had. And I cut them up and make these tags. And I always use up my scraps for the background. So I just, sometimes I find colors that go with each other, and sometimes I just randomly lay those short strips and glue them to it. And what I do is then I cut around it. But look how cute this tag came out. Here's the snowman with a wheelbarrow carrying another cute little snowman. I have a gold snowflake there from my stash, added a string, and here is my first tag. My second tag is also from the same pack. Here we have 2 snowmen, mom and child, or dad and child, making up a Christmas tree in the woods, all snowed in, but there's going to be a couple of ornaments on there. And daddy, or the mother, not sure if this is a man or a snowman or a snow woman, adds this cute little star on top. And again, the tag itself is just cardstock packaging, and I added a little glitter heart sticker, and the rest is just random scraps. Sometimes I just round the corners with my corner rounder to give it a little bit of a different look. but everything else I cut myself. So you can see they're not totally even, but you know, for a handmade tag, I think it looks just fine. And the third tag, here it is. Here is the snowman with a deer. Maybe it's Rudolph, maybe it's not. And I added a glittery snowflake. It's a sticker that I bought at Hobby Lobby last year. And same tag. So these make beautiful tags for your Christmas presents. What I do is I write a message here, and that basically replaces the card, because the tag is so beautiful you don't need to add another card. Or you can have a matching card, that's nice too. So these are my 3 tags. And speaking of tags, I wanted to share with you these die cut sentiments. It's a 2-pack. All of them are little tags or sentiments with Christmas greetings. There are 2 pages in this 1 pack, and they make great card toppers if you don't have stamps. And even if you have stamps, some of them are blank, so you could write in your own message or stamp it. I have these, and these are sticker sentiments, and they come in different sizes, and we have season's greetings, from our hearts to your home, Christmas blessings, joy to the world, in different colors. And again, those are stickers, and I thought I'm gonna add these. Now is the time where we all make Christmas cards, and you may need some extra embellishments with some sentiments on it. So there are 28 stickers in this package. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you like these cute snowman embellishments, my tags and cards I created with them. If so, please leave me a comment and also a thumbs up. Don't forget to join us on European Papercrafts Friends on Facebook. And also, if you would like, subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos coming with Christmas crafts, so you don't miss anything. Thank you for spending some time with me today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!